Hey guys, so I have been cleaning my Topaz. I had it in a vinegar soak for about 2 weeks. And so this is now after 2 weeks of vinegar soak. Jeremy from Gym Tours told me to do that. And then I will be soaking it again in a different solution. I think when I have to go buy because I don't own it, and then see what happens from there. But this is all Topaz, and there's bixbyite on them, and that's the little black mineral there. You see that? Ooh. So bixbyite, Topaz. I've got some that have a little bit more clearer look to them. And then the bonus, as I was cleaning these, I found two with red beryl. Woohoo! So this red beryl was actually at the bottom of my water bottle. So score on that. Is that a little bixbyite just hanging out on top? It might be. And then this guy's on a Topaz. And Jeremy said this might happen where I start cleaning it up and I start finding some more other than the ones I already have. So here's kind of a clearer Topaz, so you can see that. A little bit of a pink to it. And so we want them all to start getting clearer like that. So I will be working on doing that. Here's another one. It's got that sand buildup on the outside, but it's really tough. So I'm trying to find. Here's another one with the bixbyite. Ooh, look at that cluster. So cool. So yeah, just on this one, there's like a ton of them. That's so cool. Is that a little red guy? I think it's just a reflection of from my lights. And let's see, find another one. Let's see if I can find, oh, here's another one. Look at these guys. There's one there. There's a few there. So what I have to do is go through each one of these and just kind of examine, does it have red beryl on it? Just take the time to do it. And if not, then I can put it in a different pile. Just sit there and go through each one. Look at that guy, he's a big one. So yeah, just kind of fish around, hoping to find more red beryl. That's the best part, is when you find those extra red beryls. Such cool bonus. So look at that pink and that topaz, very cool. So when that's cleaned up, that'll be really pretty. There's some more of those bixbyites. A lot of them on this guy. So what I could do is I could separate like bixbyites, plains, and let's hope we find some more of those red beryls. That'd be pretty sweet. I see a kind of a clearer one. So not that one. There we go. Here's a clearer one. This is kind of what we want to shoot for. Let's see how close I can get. There we go. And I think that's just, is that a bixbyite? It might just be a green. Or it's a bixbyite. Little guy. Very cool. So it's kind of one of those things you want to just go through, examine each one. There's more bixbyite. Now, you guys, when I went to Topaz Mountain by myself without using the gym tours, I did not find any bixbyite. And in fact, like all the topaz, like this is a honking topaz. Look at how thick that is. That is huge. So once that's cleaned off, that's going to be really sweet. And I didn't find anything this big, and I definitely didn't find anything with color. One time I found one with color. That was it. So, you know, by going on the gym tours, I was able to get some red beryl, and I was able to get some of the bixbyite. Something different, you know? So I got a lot to do, got a lot of things to go through. Yeah, I'm going to be busy for a while trying to find some more red beryl. Anyways, you guys take care. Hope you enjoyed learning about topaz from Delta, Utah.